Parrots are birds, but they are not just any birds. They are very special birds with bright colours and loud voices. There are many different kinds of parrots in the world. Some parrots are small, like the budgie. Some parrots are big, like the macaw. Most parrots live in warm places. They like to live in jungles and forests. They can also live in grasslands and islands. Parrots are very social. They live in flocks with other parrots. Parrots are beautiful birds. They have strong beaks and colourful feathers. They use their beaks to eat and to climb. They use their feathers to fly and to attract mates. Parrots are very interesting birds. They are fun to watch and listen to. They can even learn to talk. Parrots are known for their beautiful feathers. They come in all colours of the rainbow. Some parrots are bright green, red and blue. Others are yellow, orange and purple. Some parrots even have black feathers. Parrots use their feathers for many things. Their feathers help them to fly. They also help to keep them warm. And of course, their feathers help them to attract a mate. Male parrots often have brighter colours than female parrots. This is because the male parrots need to attract the female parrots. The brighter the male parrot's feathers, the more likely he is to find a mate. Parrots molt their feathers and grow new ones. This usually happens once or twice a year. When a parrot molts, it can look a little bit sick, but don't worry, it's perfectly normal. One of the most amazing things about parrots is that they can learn to talk. These intelligent birds have the unique ability to mimic human speech, which has fascinated people for centuries. Parrots are not the only animals that can mimic sounds. However, their ability to replicate a wide range of noises, from simple sounds to complex phrases, sets them apart. But they are some of the best at it. Their vocal abilities are truly remarkable, allowing them to engage in conversations and even sing songs. Parrots learn to talk by listening to the people around them. They are keen observers and can pick up on the nuances of human speech. They then try to copy the sounds that they hear. This practice helps them refine their vocal skills and improve their ability to communicate. Some parrots can learn to say hundreds of words. Their extensive vocabulary can include names, commands, and even questions. Parrots don't just learn to say words, though. They can also string words together to form simple sentences. They can also learn to understand the meaning of words. This understanding allows them to respond appropriately to commands and interact meaningfully with their human companions. For example, a parrot might learn to say, "want seed" when it is hungry. This shows their ability to associate specific words with their needs and desires. Scientists believe that parrots learn to talk because they are social animals. Their need for social interaction drives them to develop their vocal skills. In the wild, parrots use their voices to communicate with each other. They have a complex system of vocalizations that help them convey different messages. They use their voices to warn each other of danger, to find a mate, and to defend their territory. This vocal communication is essential for their survival and social structure. Parrots are very intelligent birds. In fact, they are some of the most intelligent animals on Earth. Their cognitive abilities are often compared to those of great apes and even young children. Scientists have done many studies on parrot intelligence, exploring their problem-solving skills, memory, and even their ability to understand human language. These studies have shown that parrots are capable of amazing things, often surprising researchers with their ingenuity and adaptability. For example, one study showed that African grey parrots can understand the concept of zero, a mathematical idea that is quite abstract. This is something that even young human children struggle with. The ability to grasp such a concept indicates a high level of cognitive function. Another study showed that parrots can use tools, a skill that requires both intelligence and dexterity. In the study, the parrots were given a jar with a treat inside, presenting them with a challenge to retrieve it. The parrots were also given a stick, which they had to figure out how to use effectively. The parrots quickly figured out that they could use the stick to get the treat out of the jar, demonstrating their problem-solving skills. Parrots are also very good at problem-solving, often tackling tasks that require multiple steps. In one study, parrots were given a complex puzzle to solve, which involved several stages and required them to think ahead. The parrots were able to solve the puzzle in a matter of minutes, showcasing their quick thinking and adaptability. Their intelligence continues to amaze and inspire researchers around the world. Section 5. Fun facts about our feathered friends. Did you know that there are over 350 different species of parrots? That's a lot of parrots. Here are some other fun facts about these amazing creatures. The smallest parrot in the world is the buff-faced pygmy parrot. It's only about the size of a hummingbird. The largest parrot in the world is the hyacinth macaw. It can grow to be over 3 feet long. Parrots can live for a very long time. Some parrots have been known to live for over 80 years. Parrots are found on every continent except Antarctica. Parrots are omnivores, which means that they eat both plants and animals. Parrots are very social animals and live in flocks of up to 100 birds. Section 6. Famous parrots throughout history. Throughout history, there have been many famous parrots that have left an indelible mark on our world. These parrots have been celebrated for their remarkable intelligence, their ability to mimic human speech, and their quirky, endearing personalities. Here are a few of the most famous parrots that have captured the imagination of people around the globe. Alex, the African grey parrot. Alex was a parrot who was the subject of a groundbreaking 30-year study by animal psychologist Irene Pepperberg. Alex learned to identify over 100 different objects, could count, and even understood the concept of zero, which is a rare cognitive ability. Alex's intelligence and communication skills revolutionized our understanding of bird cognition and challenged the notion that only primates could possess such advanced cognitive abilities. Prudel the Quaker parrot. Prudel was listed in the Guinness Book of World Records for having the largest vocabulary of any bird, an astonishing feat. Prudel knew over 1,000 words, showcasing the incredible potential for language learning in parrots. Charlie the macaw. Charlie was Winston Churchill's pet parrot, a bird with a personality as bold as his famous owner. Charlie was known for his foul mouth and his intense hatred of Hitler, often expressing his disdain in colourful language. He would often shout, "Down with Hitler!" and other anti-Nazi slogans, becoming a symbol of resistance in his own right. These are just a few of the many famous parrots that have captured our hearts and minds, each with their own unique stories and contributions. Parrots are truly amazing creatures with unique personalities and abilities that continue to fascinate and inspire us. Section 7. Parrots need our help. Sadly, many parrot species are endangered. This is because of habitat loss, hunting, and the illegal pet trade. We can all do our part to help parrots by learning more about them and supporting conservation efforts. We can also help parrots by making sure that we only buy parrots from reputable breeders. Reputable breeders will make sure that their parrots are healthy and well socialized. It is important to remember that parrots are wild animals. They are not domesticated like dogs or cats. Parrots need a lot of space to fly and play. They also need a special diet. If you are thinking about getting a parrot, please do your research to make sure that you can provide a good home for it. Section 8. Colourful companions. Parrots are amazing creatures. They are beautiful, intelligent, and social animals that bring joy to people all over the world. By learning more about parrots and supporting conservation efforts, we can help to ensure that these amazing birds will be around for many years to come. If you are lucky enough to have a parrot in your life, cherish it. Parrots make wonderful companions. They're always there to greet you with a cheerful hello and a wag of their tail feathers. Parrots are a gift to our planet. Let's do everything we can to protect them and their habitats.